This is Gary with Iron Peak Campers. Today we're going to take a quick look at our aluminum cabinets. So we offer 4 different colors in our cabinets. We can do a beige color, which is this color, a green, a blue, and a light gray. So if we take a quick look inside here, you can see we have quite a bit. This is an 8-foot slide in. So quite a bit of cabinetry. So this is where our fridge would go. Our Truma Combi furnace goes down in here. We have our gray water tank is sitting down in here. A couple pull-out drawers. Lots of cabinets here. Overhead cabinets. This one has the north-south bed option. So we have cabinet storage up here in the front. And all of our cabinets are lined with a liner on top of them. And then inside our cabinets, we do insulation inside here to get rid of that tingy noise. And then all of our cabinets have a removable panel up on top. So this will lift up and you can hide all your wiring inside there so you don't see any wiring and stuff.